Before we begin, I'd like to thank the Portage County Financial Wellness Fair for the opportunity to speak with you today. Hi, my name is Chris Pratt. I'm a regional business specialist here at the Middlefield Banking Company. As a regional business specialist, it's my job to manage our current and new business relationships by providing them with the tools and expertise they need to run the day-to-day operations of their business. Small businesses are the lifeblood of our community, and the Middlefield Banking Company is committed to their success. Let's take a look at some of the tools that we offer our small business clients. Let's take a look at some of the learning objectives from this course. First, benefits of building an effective long-term relationship with bankers, including your branch managers, lenders, and any other business advisors in your local branch. What factors to consider when selecting a financial institution. Any features, advantages, and risks associated with financial services and products. And the types of financing options and lenders available to you. Factors to consider when evaluating your financing options. Ways to improve your chances of getting a loan, and ways to recognize and avoid small business fraud, scams, and cybersecurity risks. Section 1, Banking Services. We'll be discussing building your banking relationship and factors in selecting the right bank, what account services you should be looking for, and other services that may be available to you. Building your banking relationships and other general myths in banking. It's important to meet your bank staff, including the branch managers, loan officers, or any other business specialists in your area. Myths about business banking may include that banks don't want my business because I'm too small. Banks don't make small loans. I need a perfect credit history. Loan applications may take months to process, and the fees are not affordable. It's important to consider the following when developing your banking relationship. What banking services do you need? Generally, small businesses will need an operating account and possibly a savings account. What should you look for when choosing a bank? Important factors when selecting a bank could include customer service. How do you gain access to your accounts and money? What technology is your bank able to provide you? And any other small business specialized products and services. Here are some of the Middlefield Banking Company's small business banking solutions. Business checking, business CDs, business savings, business loans, business lines of credit, business credit cards, and other specialized cash management solutions. Here at the Middlefield Banking Company, we offer a variety of business checking solutions, from small startups to large established businesses. It's important to understand the account services offered by your bank. Review the account disclosures to understand any fees or additional services costs associated with your business banking. Examples of the Middlefield Banking Company's business banking services include online banking, fraud prevention tools, receivable tools, payable management, and liquidity management. By discussing your business needs with a regional business specialist, we can provide a customized plan on how to manage your cash flow and increase your sales activity through point-of-sale merchant services. Here are some of the best practices for keeping detailed financial record keeping. Reconcile accounts monthly at a minimum. Work with your bank to address discrepancies or suspicious activity immediately. Verify the amount paid for checks with the amount you wrote them for. Retain reports from remote deposit scanner software. By following these best practices, your regional business specialist will better understand your needs, enabling them to provide the solutions that work best for your business. Some key points to remember. Build banking relationships early on. Choose a bank based on assessment of its resources, including its customer service, available technology, and other services available to small businesses. Ensure the ways to access your funds and transactions are secure. Consider the features and risks associated with savings and checking accounts and business debit cards. Increase your business efficiency through banking services such as cash management and merchant processing. Reconcile your accounts as a cybersecurity measure. Additional resources are available at sba.gov or fdic.gov/moneysmart. Let's discuss financing options and sources for your business, including financing readiness, the 5 C's of credit, the purpose of a loan readiness checklist, and understanding the cost of financing. Certain financing options are savings, gifts, and informal loans, term or installment loans, lines of credit and credit cards, special purpose loans, or other financing options. Savings and gifts or informal loans is the number one form of financing used by startups. Gifts may be counted as business capital. Payments toward informal loans or investments by family, friends, or other individuals must be part of your cash flow. For term or installment loans, the funds are received once the loan is approved. Repayment is made in installments, including principal and interest, and are set over a period of time. The purpose is of financing purchase of assets, including equipment or property, and the loan is secured by the asset that is to be purchased. New application is required for additional funds. Lines of credit and credit cards. This form of financing is generally secured and is used to finance any business expense. This typically requires an annual credit review and a renewal based on the business performance. There's no lump sum disbursement at account opening, and monthly payments are based on the outstanding balance. The Middlefield Banking Company has a variety of business credit card options to help with everyday business purchasing needs. Special purpose loans include agricultural, manufacturing, loan guarantee programs for veterans and military members, loan programs for exporters, and disaster loans for small businesses affected by natural disasters. Other financing options include leasing, financing of inventory, factoring, credit card sale loans or merchant cash advances, and financing receivables. There are also a number of government programs available for small businesses. SBA guaranteed lending programs. Certain participating lenders make and service term loans and lines of credit for which the SBA extends a guarantee of repayment. This guarantee allows lenders to approve loans they would not otherwise be able to make. The SBA microloan program provides direct loans and grants to eligible nonprofit microlenders to make loans of up to $50,000. Other government programs for small businesses include the U.S. Department of Agriculture, U.S. Department of Treasury, and the U.S. Department of Commerce's Minority Business Development Agency. Other government programs for small businesses include state and local governments that operate their own programs to foster entrepreneurship in underserved communities. Local and federal government agencies usually have an Office of Small and Disadvantaged Business Utilization, which helps small businesses get government contracts. Improving your chances of getting a business loan. You can improve your chances of getting a business loan by strengthening your personal and business credit history, separating your personal and business finances, understanding the 5 C's of credit, and building strong banking relationships. The 5 C's of credit include capacity, or the ability to repay a loan, collateral, security to repay the loan, credit history, your credit performance of the owners and the business, conditions, the terms of the loan and business environment, and character, integrity, reputation, and references of the business owners. Key points to remember with business financing. Types of financing include your own savings. Understanding the features of different loan products help you evaluate financing options. You may qualify for government programs depending on the purpose of the loan and other business characteristics. You should evaluate the benefits and risks of non-bank financing. Improve your chances of getting a loan by understanding personal and business credit histories, strategically developing the 5 C's of credit, maintaining separate personal and business records, and being prepared for contacting a lender. Small business financing resources include references to government resources, small business financing checklist, and loan readiness checklist. Section 3, avoiding fraud and scams. Businesses need to avoid fraud and scams. Banks can help. You should ask your banker about the following. What secure access protocols are in place? Do they have any tips to avoid forged checks? Protecting your business debit cards, and what protocols are in place for reconciling accounts. Resources by government agencies to help you avoid fraud and scams. Federal Bureau of Investigation recognizes the following as top threats to your business security: business email compromise, data breach, denial of service, email account compromise, malware, scareware, phishing and spoofing, and ransomware. The Federal Trade Commission works to help you learn how to avoid scams, provides information on common scams targeted to small businesses, and provides other resources that can be found at ftc.gov, keyword small business. To learn more about how Middlefield Bank can help your business, visit middlefieldbank.bank/cash. Thanks for listening.